But today, being Monday, 23rd, being Wednesday, 23rd day of October, we went to see him. The last one went there. The last one went there. They allow us inside at the receptionist and at the reception and asked us to park outside. But today, they outrightly rejected us from coming inside. They mounted their people at the gate, and the instruction is that none of Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer.
Alright, you all, welcome back again to our channel, the Point People TV channel. Today's video is something that is giving a lot of egos and many others a serious reason to worry right now. We've just received troubling news from one of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers, Barrister Maxwell Okpara. I mean, the news is making waves online as we speak. So, Barrister Maxwell Okpara spoke out yesterday, being 24th of October 2024, and according to him, the DSS, which is the Department of State Services, and the federal government have officially blocked Nnamdi Kanu's legal team from visiting him in detention. Wow, imagine that.
They mounted their people at the gate, and the instruction is that none of Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer should be allowed to come inside, so not even to see him. So the reason for that, I don't know. I don't know whether Nnamdi Kanu is still alive. I don't know whether he's still with them. I don't know where they have taken him to. Tomorrow, being 24th day of September, will make it complete 1 month. Because I saw him last. Tomorrow, being 24th day of October, will make it 1 month. Because I saw him last on September 24th. Since that, when he came to court last. Since that time up to now.
Okpara mentioned that when they tried to visit Nnamdi Kanu at the DSS office yesterday, they were warned, like they were given serious warning not to come anywhere near the premises ever again. That's some serious stuff right there. He also shared his deep concern, saying he doesn't even know if Nnamdi Kanu is still alive or is probably dead at this point, because I mean, it's been over a month since any lawyer has had access to Nnamdi Kanu. According to him, the last he saw Nnamdi Kanu was September 24th, and yesterday makes it exactly 1 month since they last saw him. Now, this is really a serious issue, and it's giving everybody, especially Igbos, a concern. And we know this affects a lot of people emotionally and politically. What do you all think about this? There's a lot to unpack. I mean, it's clear that things are getting more intense by the day as regards Nnamdi Kanu's release. But before we dive deeper, let's hear what this lawyer himself has to say. Stay tuned to watch the full statement, and we wish that Nnamdi Kanu stays alive for everyone.
Since that time up to now, no communication whatsoever. This is the document I want to come and show him in respect of preparing his documents. The things that we feel that we can file in court. But now they did not allow us access. Nnamdi Kanu is the only person now, as we speak now, that is facing a criminal trial without a lawyer.